Beauty. So today I will be doing another DIY recipe. I love cooking up recipes in the kitchen. So today's video is pretty much going to be a 2-in-1 special. I will be showing you ladies how I do an easy DIY detangling hairspray for me and Harmony, as well as another DIY hair mask. So today, guys, I'm going to go over the items that I will be using and the benefits that it has for the hair. If you ladies have not checked out my other DIY hair mask, I'm going to leave it down below in the description box, as well as the end cards on this video. So when you are done watching this video, you can go over and check out that video as well. So the first ingredient is avocado oil. So avocado helps moisturize the hair. It promotes hair growth. It prevents dandruff, as well as help revitalize the hair. The second item is a banana. Banana helps softens the hair. It protects the hair's natural elasticity. It prevents split ends as well as breakage. The next item is moringa powder. Y'all, I swear by moringa powder. Not only do I add it in my hair mask, I also take it internally. Moringa powder contains high contents of vitamin A, which helps support hair growth. It fights against hair loss, as well as stimulates the scalp to promote hair growth. The next item is extra virgin olive oil. This helps detangle the hair. It leaves the hair follicles soft and shiny. It reduces and prevents split ends. The next item on our list is extra virgin coconut oil. This oil prevents breakage, and it moisturizes and removes buildup around your hair follicles. The next item on the list is plain yogurt. Plain yogurt promotes strong and healthy hair. It has lactic acid in it, which helps cleanse the scalp. It clears away dead skin cells as well. And last but not least, we have aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice helps repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It leaves the hair smooth and shiny, and it also promotes hair growth. Now, I will be making a big batch because this is going to be used for me and Harmony's hair.